This time we are tying the Alpine butterfly knot. It's a midline knot, so it can be tied without access to the end of the rope. The butterfly is mainly used in climbing to attach a carabiner. Start by forming a loop. Then add another loop by twisting the created bend. When done correctly, it forms a figure 8 as shown. Bring the top all the way over to the other side of the standing part of the line. Hold the intersection of the ropes to prevent it from moving. Now pull the band through the hole as shown in the video and tighten the knot. And there's your completed Alpine butterfly knot. Now we will show you step by step how to tie the knot. Okay, here we go again, step by step. First form a loop, then twist to add another loop. This gives you the figure 8. Now fold the top over to the other end of the standing part of the rope. From here on it might be a bit difficult to see, so I added a carabiner to make it easier to follow the different parts of the rope. Now pull this band through the hole from below as seen in the picture. Pull to tighten the knot. This is one way to tie the butterfly, but there's another method that might work better for you. For now we will call it the hand wrap method. Hold the line in one hand and form 3 loops. Now bring the middle strand to the right by going underneath the right one. The middle strand now becomes the most right one. Bring this one all the way over to the left and pull it through the middle of the loops. Now pull tight and then set and dress and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you want a knot explained or something ain't quite clear, feel free to drop a comment.